Hey, Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. If you've been dreaming of owning a foldable phone without burning a hole in your wallet, you're in for some exciting news. Samsung is rumored to be working on something big, an affordable foldable phone that could finally make this tech more accessible to everyone. We're talking about the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, a fan edition model that might just shake up the entire foldable market. Let's get into all the juicy details we know so far. So here's the scoop. Samsung is reportedly developing its first ever fan edition foldable phone. While we haven't received any official confirmation yet, the leaks and rumors flying around suggest that this phone isn't just a concept, it's likely on the way. And if that's true, this could be a big move for Samsung and for budget-conscious tech lovers. Now let's talk design and feel. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE is expected to weigh around 187 grams. That makes it one of the lighter options in Samsung's foldable lineup. If you're someone who likes your phone to be compact and easy to carry, this should be great news. Sure, it might not be as slim as the rumored Galaxy S25 Edge, which is said to be ultra-light and sleek, but compared to the Galaxy S25 Plus, the Flip 7 FE still comes out lighter. And if that 187 grams sounds familiar, that's because it is. The Z Flip 4, Flip 5, and Flip 6 all shared the exact same weight. That likely means Samsung is sticking with a design structure that has worked well in the past. But don't let that fool you. This fan edition might still bring in a few minor design updates to give it a fresh look and feel. Leaks also suggest that the Flip 7 FE could look very similar to the Galaxy Z Flip 6. The overall appearance, including the hinge and general build, might be nearly identical. But that's not really surprising. If you think back, Samsung launched the Galaxy Watch FE not long ago, which was essentially a refreshed Galaxy Watch 4 with minor tweaks, especially in color. Speaking of color, we might be in for a bold surprise. There's talk that Samsung could release this phone in a stunning coral red shade, similar to what we've seen in the Galaxy S25 lineup. It's not confirmed yet, but if true, this could give the Flip 7 FE a vibrant, standout personality that sets it apart from the more premium Flip models. As for the launch, all signs point to Samsung's upcoming Summer Unpacked event. That's the same event where we expect to see the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the standard Z Flip 7. Including the fan edition alongside these high-end models could be a smart strategy, especially if Samsung wants to attract a wider audience looking for something more budget-friendly. And now, let's talk about the most exciting part, price. Foldables have always been fascinating, but their high price tags kept many people away. Samsung has made huge progress with foldable technology, but they've stayed in the premium zone, until now. The Flip 7 FE could finally be the model that breaks that pattern. Last year, Samsung gave us a Fold Special Edition, loaded with features but still carrying a high price tag. This time, they might be flipping the strategy, no pun intended. By introducing a fan edition model, Samsung is opening the doors for people who've wanted a foldable phone but couldn't justify spending so much. If this phone delivers what it promises, it could mark the beginning of a whole new category, affordable foldables that still offer that premium feel and user experience. Samsung has already done this successfully with their Galaxy S and Galaxy Tab fan editions, so bringing that same approach to foldables is a smart and strategic move. So, to sum it up, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE could feature a lightweight 187-gram body, reuse the reliable design of its predecessors, introduce fresh color options like coral red, and most importantly, offer a lower price point that makes foldables more accessible than ever before. It might not be the most cutting-edge foldable, but it could definitely be the most affordable one that doesn't cut corners. With Samsung's Summer Unpacked event just around the corner, all eyes are on what they reveal next. For foldable fans and anyone waiting for a more affordable entry into the world of bendable tech, the Flip 7 FE might just be the breakthrough we've all been waiting for. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.